Hey, Mandi Maniacs.
Hi.
So today we'll be trying Jello Gummies. Ooh.
Now the last time
I
we
was
tried
those.
those
I'm like, oh.
today.
Oh yeah, that's true. We do a lot of reviews in the same day. So if you see we're wearing the same clothes, that's fine.
I'm gone a lot, so we try and squeeze everything in when I'm
So the
in
flavors
the area.
are lime, berry blue, and strawberry.
She is done quite often, so we kind of squish it. It's like one day a month we do all of our reviews.
Ooh, they're ugly. Not plain.
They look like they do on the front. They look like a
okay. Now
carabiner, one of those
them
hooks.
all up there.
Well, I'm grabbing each. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Blue kind of lime, or maybe
Green.
I don't know.
No flavor.
No, I'm not sure what that's supposed to be.
Oh no, they have berry blue in the package.
And that's what we just had.
Berry blue.
But they were a little square.
Everything we ate today is berry blue.
That's been
Look at
bad.
the tab here.
Everything berry blue, guys. The verdict is everything berry blue is terrible.
We forgot to put the lime in
Yeah,
here.
I didn't get any flavor out of that one. What was that
Unflavored.
flavor supposed to be?
I don't know.
The texture was honestly pleasant, but there's no flavor.
It was a gummy bear
Here's
Yeah.
strawberry.
with no flavor. No flavor. I
An
didn't.
unflavored gummy bear.
No flavor.
No
If
flavor.
I closed my eyes and you gave me this and asked me what flavor, what color was it, I would not know. No flavor.
That one tastes the same as the last one.
It's like they forgot to put the flavor in. They put the dye in, and the flavor just got missed.
Yeah.
So what we ate was berry blue, I think. There's only 2 limes.
That's
You
okay.
guys go for it. I am
No.
good.
Not like you're going to be able to tell.
There's not a lot of flavor. They're terrible.
So it's the most flavor. There's none to it.
This one does. This one has some flavor.
They're terrible. The texture's fine, but there's no flavor.
No.
This one has lime. I can taste the lime. But the other ones, no.
I wouldn't
Did I even
recommend
show
them.
them in the package?
No.
Here it is.
Yeah. They're not a very good gummy candy.
No.
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 They're a fail. Just get gummy bears. Or that Wily Wallaby.
You know, what? I'm not a big gummy person, but Lifesavers gummies have a lot of flavor.
Oh, Lifesavers has good gummies.
Yep.
Yes,
Yeah,
they
they
do.
do.
But
They're a lifesaver.
these I got a hint of lime on the green one, but otherwise the other two, none whatsoever.
Unflavored gummy. And the texture was good, but the no
Typical
flavor.
gummy.
Yep.
So, yep. I don't recommend that one.
I don't either.
I like gummies, but not those.
No, no flavor.
Mm-mm.
Pass them.
Bye.
Thanks.
Gross.